Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed property of the day, and I'm in gorgeous Linwood, New Jersey, 08221. I have a classic Craftsman-style Cape Cod home, and it's got 4 beds, 2 baths. It's got 1,773 square feet. It's going to need some work. It's being sold as is, and I'll tell you all about that as we walk through it. Let's take a look. The address on this property is 933 Oak Grove Avenue, and it's within walking distance of everything. It's between Route 9 and Shore Road, very close to Mainland High School, very close to the churches, police station, all that. Check out this fine work that was done back in 1925. The brickwork is exquisite. You have the Craftsman columns. You have this huge front porch. So imagine finishing this off and enjoying your spring and summer days out with the family and friends here. Inside, you can see it's got the tall ceilings. You have a wood burning fireplace. You have windows galore in this house. Plenty of ambient light comes through. And you see how expansive the old style formal living rooms were. You got these really thick baseboard moldings, classic. This is a classic dining room. It's got the arched entryways. You have the bump out, real nice. Also, you have lovely hardwood floors. And then down this way, you have your full basement. It's the whole footprint of the house and a bevy of rooms down there. So you do what you want. Your furnace is down there. This would be downstairs. There's 3 bedrooms down and 1 bedroom up. This would be considered bedroom number 1 down. It's got a full bath adjacent, all tiled up. That's something that doesn't need a whole lot of work to get back into today's style. This would be bedroom number 2. And rounding it out on the first floor is bedroom number 3. Upstairs, there's another bedroom, full bath, and a kitchen. And that's recognized as a legal apartment by Linwood. So you have the option of making that the apartment again, or you can combine the 2 elements and make it one single home again. That's your choice, whatever you want to do. There's 2 separate gas meters. There's 1 electric meter. Let's check out the kitchen. You see copious amounts of afternoon sun coming through. You have windows all along. Got the jalousie windows right now. You could do what you want with those. Plenty of counter space, just a huge area. Beautiful kitchen here where you have the opportunity to make this your own and bring it back to its modern day look. Let's check out the upstairs, which is the apartment, or you could reopen the stairway and make this one single family home again. But you do have the option to rent this out up here. To my right, you have a galley kitchen. And then on the approach is the full bath. It's got a soaking tub. And right now we're entering into the formal living room. You can see how big it is here. And this would be your 1 bed on the upstairs. And as you walk through the eastern side of the upstairs, you have a corridor. There's a balcony that overlooks Oak Grove. And then you have more storage in behind that door. Plenty of opportunities to do whatever you want to do here. Let's check out the outside. This lot measures 70-foot frontage by 187 feet deep, and you have a 2-car detached garage. That measures 24 by 30, and then there's also another area to the back. And you can see Linwood is always on the move. You have this brand new construction behind you, and just imagine bringing this property back into its original glory, what the value is going to be once you're done with that. And check out the inside. It's all cinder block, solid. 2 bays, pull your cars in, all's good. So you're right in the heart of Linwood, New Jersey. You have a large lot here for the neighborhood. You have the church in the distance, church bells going off. You have Mainland School to the south. All kinds of activity in between, really nice residential area. If you like what you're seeing, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you like it, certainly give us a thumbs up and share this with anybody that wants to see the property in advance. and that gives you an opportunity to win the bid. First in always has an advantage. It's got 4 beds, 2 full baths. It's got 2 gas meters because the upstairs is recognized by Linwood as a legal apartment, so you do whatever you want. You could keep it that way, or you could convert it back into a 4-bed, huge Cape Cod, Craftsman style. Check out the columns here at 933 Oak Grove Avenue. This needs a little bit of work. It's being sold as is, but the price has been set accordingly to the amount of work that's going to be needed. Whether you're a homeowner or an investor, this property could be a real winner for you. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.